We all love our Osmo, right? But we hate the microphone. This video shows you how to produce this device, which is a solution to produce top quality audio on your DJI Osmo. It's cost effective, it's lightweight, and it will improve the audio quality by 1,000,000%. Stick around and watch the video and I'll show you everything that you need.
Hi guys, this is All Things Tech, and this is my workaround for the DJI Osmo and the microphone issues that you get. Now, what we know is that the microphone located, or this is the microphone jack, but the microphone located within the Osmo really is poor quality. It picks up all the noise of the gimbal motors, and it actually doesn't really pick up very much audio at all. And I think that's the microphone point just there. So what we've designed here is a little workaround. We're using the Rode Video Micro, which is a great little mic. It's nice and lightweight. It comes with this attachment at the bottom here, but also it comes with this coiled cable, which keeps it, I think, keeps it nice and neat and tidy, and it doesn't get too many cables in the way. So I've got the Jobby iPhone mount section. I've purchased a special nut, and then I've attached the Rode Video Micro to that. I'm just going to take it apart so you can see how it works. So as you can see, this is what you've got here. This is the microphone. It attaches really well. It's nice and lightweight. It doesn't. It's not going to cause you any problems at all carrying the Osmo. We already know that if you're holding the Osmo for quite a long time, then you might actually get to feel a little bit fatigued by that. But so you don't really want to be adding lots of extra weight. And as you can see from here, we just unscrew this, and that will come off nice and easily. Okay, so here we have it here. Now this screw that we've purchased is a 1/4 male to 3/8 male. And that's just really because the attachment from the microphone is obviously the wider point, and the attachment from the iPhone mount is a lot smaller. So you do need to get something like this, guys, and then you can have this setup working. So basically what you've got is the video mic, the cable, the nut here, which is the 3/8 male to 1/4 male, and then a Jobby from an iPhone. And that's it, guys.
Okay folks, so that's it. So let's look at the difference in sound quality. Okay, so this is a sound test with the Rode Video Micro. Just going to do a couple of shots. So I've got my dog here. Hopefully it will pick up some good commentary from me. See my dog looking sleepy, just been out for a walk. And what I understand with this microphone is that it's not going to pick up the fan noise. So I can hear the fan noise off the actual Osmo, but it's far enough away now that it's not going to pick it up. Okay, so let's just unplug that now, and we're going to see that now this is going straight to the Osmo sound, and I'm sure that, I'm hoping, I'll know in a second, but I'm sure that you can see the differences. So there you go, guys. This is the way of fixing the mic, and obviously you can just spin this round, and if you're doing a shot towards you where you need to speak, or if you can just put this round the other way if you're doing it before. So there we go. A nice simple solution for the DJI Osmo microphone problem. Thanks for watching this, guys. This is All Things Tech.